Well, the time has flown, but it's due again. Determined to stand between us, my friend. It's waging war on our fraternity. But for those who know us in this land, we'll take high ground and make our stand, and push time back from whence it came. Because no amount of time apart could douse the flames within our hearts, and they'll vanquish any threats along the way. And we both know within about a year your train will come and we'll recohere, knowing nothing could ever lead us astray. I've had time to think upon the desires and ideals that I revered when I was young. It's not hard to defend the belief I hold that the most important thing in life is spending time with friends. Most people misunderstand how much a friendship can withstand when built on trust and true sincerity. And I like to think a trustful blend is something that we both commend, and the reason we get along so well. So let's raise our glasses and make a toast to never give up the things we love the most, and not to settle for someone else's dreams. And there'll come a time when our day is done, we'll ride into that setting sun, and our regrets will be few and far between. I've had time to think upon the desires and ideals that I revered when I was young. It's not hard to defend the belief I hold that the most important thing in life is spending time with friends.